Well, of course, it was something I've been hearing so much about because I've been involved with the music for the film. And but watching the film, I think it's been a fabulous experience because it's so different, so unusual, and I think it's just taking filmmaking in India to just not another level, but many, many levels higher than what we've been seeing in the past.
Oh wow, Prague is commendable. I think बहुत ही beautiful experience रहा. जैसे कि बोलते हैं कि Prague is a city with a lot of intrigue. I think I could feel that. बहुत सारी जगहें ऐसी थी जहाँ पर you actually get so much hooked on to the seat. मतलब आप एक मिनट के लिए भी अपना concentration इधर से उधर नहीं कर पा रहे थे. It was so beautiful.
Watching Prague, I'm still recovering from the impact. So it's too early to say things about Prague, but it has a solid impact, especially in the second half.
It was very, very gripping. I thought that I didn't get bored even for a second. It was really very fascinating, and we got to see a side of Prague that I think nobody has seen.
I really loved it. It's made from the heart, and you can see that, yeah. And it's refreshing to see a film that's really made from the heart, and it's inspiring at one level, yeah.
It's just the natural acting, that all the performers have in the film. It's so natural, and it builds up slowly, So there's no dramatic entry of the characters and the film. The subject just keeps building. So by the time you reach the climax of the film, it's caught your attention all through and taken you to a sort of peak or a crescendo.
Especially when Chandan, his name is also in the movie Chandan, when he breaks out, and in the climax of the film, and the way the performance is done, the way he's got the characters, and it's so very well edited, power packed second half.
No, it's completely dissimilar from the mainstream films. I mean, it has its own language, it has its own narrative and its own style. But it's very, very engaging at the same time.
Well, unfortunately, the songs aren't in the film like conventional Hindi films, but I guess people can get to watch the videos or hear the music online or buy a CD or whatever it is.
Chandan, I think the way he's performed and single-handedly has taken the film so beautifully, and commendable work by Mr. Rohit Khaitan. I think the concept that he has designed is brilliant.
Well, there are many moments. It would be difficult to pick one moment, but I think the performance-wise, Chandan is out of the world. He's done a great job, and whatever they've shown, the small, like they have a church which they've shown, and all of that is so fascinating and it's unbelievable.
The one reason they should go and watch it is it's a very different film from anything that you've seen in India before.
It's not out and out a forced drama, but there is sensuousness, there is sensitivity, there are very small moments in the film.
Just because it's really made from the heart, and it's liberating to watch it and see what a director and a producers and actors love can do to a film. Yeah.
Audience should come and watch the film because Friday to Friday Entertainers, that is my company, is presenting the film, so I am very proud to be associated with this.
Well, if they want to see cinema in a really different way, like they've not seen before, then this is what I call a different film. It is definitely unique in its own way, and people should watch it. They want to know what Prague is all about. It's not about all the lovey-dovey and sweet and romantic place, what it is known for, but it has a very different side to it, and it is worth watching.